Alright, ladies, I know it's getting cold out, you know, holiday season. I know them boys in your DMs, but once you come inside, I got some fire for you. Ay, I'm put together like extra efforts, it's how I'm living. And these pretenders, they so pretentious, I hope they understand I'm seeing through it. I speak a fluent, I never do it. And now the DMs, they be popping every single time they dropping now. Bunch of boys on the gram, I swear. You need a man with no Peter Pan, I'll take it there. And you been looking like I really be a target. And I want you like you want me, baby girl, let's get it now.
Baby, come through, like you saved my life, baby. Ooh, girl, it's getting cold outside.
I could be a fire, I could be a fire.
Wife, baby, come through, like you saved my life, baby. Ooh, girl, it's getting cold outside.
Yeah, I ain't fire. And I could be a fire, you one desire, you manly man. Doing what no one else would ever dare. I mean, I'm really about it. I mean, I really got something extra. Like, baby girl, come read about it. I be about it, come see about it. These boys are lies. The pants are fire, I'm just a fire. You get for high, but I'm all yours, baby. I'm all yours, baby. I can't lie, no, just sit by my fire. It's that holiday cuffing season, you know. It's cold outside, why don't you just come in? I got you, you know. Forget them boys.
Ooh,